Hello students, in this video we are going to look at a word problem of NCERT textbook on linear equations. The problem is two women and five men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while three women and six men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by one man alone. Let us proceed for its solution, and for it let us consider the following information. Here it is person, time taken to finish the work in days, part of work done in 1 day. Suppose an woman can finish the embroidery work in X days and a man can finish the same embroidery work in Y days, and therefore part of the work done in 1 day for an woman is 1 by X and that of man is 1 by Y. Now according to the problem, two women, the work for two women for 1 day is 2 by X, and five men, the work for five men in 1 day is 5 by Y. They work together for 4 days to finish the embroidery work. Therefore, multiplied by 4 is equal to 1. Total work is 1. Simplifying here we have xy is in the denominator, and multiplying it crosswise we have xy here. Now in the numerator we have 5x plus 2y, and this multiplied by 4. Now 5x multiplied by 4 is 20x and 2y multiplied by 4 is 8y. Thus we have this equation 20x plus 8y is equal to xy. This is our first equation. Similarly here, for three women, the work for 1 day is 3 by x, and 6 men. Therefore, for 6 men, the work done in 1 day is 6 by y, and they work for 3 days to finish the same work. Therefore, multiplied by 3, this is equal to 1. Now here, LCM is xy, and multiplying it crosswise, we will have xy here. In the numerator, we will have 6x and plus 3y, and this multiplied by 3. Now 6x multiplied by 3 is 18x, and 3y multiplied by 3, that is 9y. Hence we get 18x plus 9y is equal to xy. This is our second equation. Now from first and second equation we see that 20x plus 8y is also xy, and 18x plus 9y is also xy. Therefore, from first and second we have 20x plus 8y is equal to 18x plus 9y. Now 20x minus 18x is 2x, and 9y minus 8y is y. Hence we have twice x is equal to y. Now putting this value y in 1 or 2, here I am putting this value in 1, we have 20 multiplied by x plus 8 multiplied by y. 8 multiplied by y is 2x, and this is equal to x multiplied by y is 2x. And therefore we have here 20x and plus 8 2 ja 16, 20 plus 16 is 36x is equal to twice x square. We have twice x square minus 36x is equal to 0. Therefore, dividing by 2, we have x square minus 18x is equal to 0. Simplifying, we have x multiplied by x minus 18 is 0. Either x is 0 or x is 18. But x can't be 0. X cannot be 0. And therefore, the only solution for x is equal to 18. And if x is equal to 18, y is twice x, therefore twice multiplied by 18, 2 multiplied by 18, that is 36. Hence, y is equal to 36. Thus, an woman can take 18 days to finish the job, and a man can take 36 days to finish the same job, that is the embroidery work. ओके, थैंक यू। दूसरे वीडियो के लिए